We don't make shoes, we make custom loafers. There is no real standardization in this industry. I like to call it a little bit of the Wild West. 9 times out of 10, the person that you're talking to on the golf course probably doesn't even know why they have the aircraft structured the way it's structured. When they come to us, we have to disabuse them of some things that they may have heard from somewhere else. Every client situation is different. Their tax situation is different. Every aircraft is different. There are different personalities involved in every transaction. It's really important to be able to address all of those things in addition to the usual routine contractual financial issues, documents, etc. And we get into the weeds on it to make sure that it's being done right.